Hi, Penny. Good morning, Penny. You wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Come on. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Wink. Let's see. This is a big boy. I might save him. Let's do this one. What do we have here? Revelstoke Spiced Whiskey. Imported Canadian whiskey with spice and other natural flavors. Ooh, this is interesting. I've never seen this before. Oh, good grief. I gotta get drinking. Look at this. Watching our vlogs, especially Vlogmas, you might start to think, man, these guys drink a lot. Because they're always opening wine, wine from Advents or whiskeys that I usually get. We film our happy hours a lot. And we do have happy hour. We enjoy that. But, I mean, look at this. Look at all of these unopened bottles of booze. So, yes, we do drink. We have happy hour. But quite frankly, we don't drink a lot. Otherwise, we would have plowed through all of this liquor in no time. But we just don't. We don't like to drink that fast. We like to enjoy our drinks when we have them, so they remain special. Who's there? Is somebody at the door? Is somebody at the door? Hi. Come on. Well, hello. Did you go out and do your business? Yeah, did you go out and do your business? Yeah. Well, it is 5 days before Christmas, and I'm out for the morning stroll with Penny, with just a light sweatshirt on. I do have the beanie because it's a little chilly, but high today I think is about 60, so that is one of the many things I love about living in Arizona, and especially out here in the middle of nowhere. The solitude, the quiet, the relatively warm temperatures, even in the dead of December. It's not really the dead of winter. The dead of December. This is just... Penny, let's go. Stop eating stuff. Weird dog. So weird. Yeah, you. So, Courtney, what are you up to?
Good morning, everybody. It's been a pretty lazy morning here at my folks' place. Just finished taking a shower and I thought I would open my advent calendar in front of the tree today. I think the plans for the rest of the day for us involve baking, because you know I haven't done enough of that yet. But let's open the advent calendar. Meanwhile, look at this goober. What are you doing? That's not how you sit on a chair. That's not how you sit on a chair, silly boy. Okay. Advent. I think, is today the 20th? Is that a hedgehog? That looks like a hedgehog in a sweater. Okay. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay. It is, ooh, white. A Maison Savas Bordeaux white blend with Sauvignon Blanc and Semillon. I'm guessing from Bordeaux. Very cool. Meanwhile, look at these. Look at this guy. His name's Hoot.
It is Sunday, just after 10 o'clock. You know me, I like football, so I want to do something here, hopefully get it done before football starts. We've been borrowing our friend's tractor and I'm going to return it tomorrow. But I want to get everything set up today, so I just have to basically pull out of here tomorrow, and everything's already done. So I have the truck backed up. I'm going to hitch up, try to get this sucker back on the trailer without messing everything up and falling off. Let's see. Let's see. Now to get the tractor up onto this trailer, I still have the ramps in the exact same position to pull it off, so this should not be a problem. But I'm gonna back it up so it's easier to drive back off when our friend needs it again. When the owner and our friend needs it again. All right, first try. I'm actually a little proud of myself right now. First try. All right, let's get it strapped up. Then we're ready to go for tomorrow. And I still have about 20 minutes before football starts. It's mountain time here, so it usually starts about 11:05. So, man, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it today. This is going well. You know what? I needed this day. Last couple days we've been going like crazy. So I'm getting a little workout in. I got football on. Penny hasn't gotten to be outside and wander much. So she is chilling outside almost all day today. This is like Steve self-care day. I like it.
Miss Patty's in the kitchen. Huh. What does that mean? Does that mean Mama's making something delicious with Grandmama? Yeah. Oh. Let's see what we making. What we making? Cookies. We're making cookies. She's trying so hard to stay awake. Because there's cookies. Should be good. Happy face. Now, scones. Cookies and scones today. These scones have cherries in them, which are delicious. What do you think? Look good to you?
I think they look beautiful.
We have baking for the day complete with cherry scones, oatmeal cookies with cranberries, and chocolate brownie cookies, all gluten-free. Yum.
Currently, at the Desert household, football is on. Let's look outside. Oh, hi, Penny. You're just chilling on the couch, aren't you? Yeah, are you having a good time out here? Yeah? Are you having a good time?
I didn't ask you to come inside. You could have stayed there, bud.
She was probably laying out there for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, just on her own, on the couch. She's an outdoor dog. All right, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Exciting day. Tractors being returned tomorrow. Arizona Cardinals won the football game today, so I'm a happy camper. I just rented a movie on Amazon Prime, and I'm gonna watch it with some dinner and just kind of unwind and relax, and getting this video done early so I can do that. I talked about Vlogmas and that kind of thing in the last video. But anyway, that's it for this video. We will see you tomorrow for day 21. Good night.
Say good night. Say good night.